In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email in Salesflare. We'll start by making sure your email is connected, because that's what allows messages to send from your own inbox and be tracked automatically. In Salesflare, open Settings, then choose Email and Calendar. Add your Gmail or Outlook account and complete the authorization. Once that's done, Salesflare will send from your mailbox behind the scenes, which helps keep deliverability consistent with your normal email use and lets the system track activity for you without extra work. Next, prepare your audience so you're reaching the right people. Head to your contacts list. If you're emailing everyone, you can keep it simple, but most of the time it's better to narrow things down. Use filters to target specific groups, like contacts with a particular tag or those in a certain pipeline stage. This makes your message more relevant. When you've got the right segment, use the bulk selection tools to select multiple contacts. You're not sending yet, you're simply defining who will receive the workflow in the next step. Now you're ready to create the actual email workflow, which is Salesflare's way of sending personalized messages at scale and, if you want, scheduling automatic follow-ups. Go to Workflows in the sidebar, or click the orange plus button and choose Create Workflow. Select Email Workflow and confirm the audience you prepared. This ensures your campaign targets only the contacts you've chosen. Write your email message with a clear subject line and a concise body. You can personalize the content using merge fields so each recipient sees details like their first name or company name. Keep your tone consistent with how you normally communicate and aim for one main call to action so people know exactly what to do next. If you want to build momentum, add follow-up steps that go out on a schedule. These can remind contacts who didn't respond and gently move the conversation forward. Space them thoughtfully so they feel helpful rather than pushy. When everything looks right, review the workflow. Double-check the audience, the personalization fields, and the timing of any follow-ups. Then send the workflow. Salesflare will immediately deliver the first email to all selected contacts and handle any follow-ups automatically based on the schedule you set. That's it. You've connected your email, prepared a targeted audience, and launched a personalized email workflow in Salesflare. Keep refining your segments and messages over time to improve engagement and results.